Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix AutoDS out of stock issue, especially when the product is actually in stock on your supplier's website. First, open your AutoDS dashboard and check the product status. If it shows on hold, that means the product is available on the source site, but AutoDS blocked it because of one of your settings. Check for common issues like shipping days that exceed your maximum shipping days, low stock at your supplier, or variations uploaded with quantity 0. Also make sure the item isn't from a non-membership seller like a non-Prime Amazon seller unless you've enabled them in your settings. Now, if the product is marked OOS, that is out of stock, it usually means the last AutoDS scan detected the item as unavailable. This happens when the supplier removed it, temporarily ran out of stock, or changed the item's condition from new to used or refurbished. AutoDS blocks these automatically. Now, if you open the supplier's link and see the product is in stock, remember, AutoDS scans using incognito mode, proxies, and different zip codes. Sometimes AutoDS gets the updated stock before your own browser does. So wait for the supplier to refresh or rescan the product manually inside AutoDS. Next, check your selling platform settings. On eBay, make sure multi-quantity listing is enabled or AutoDS can't set your quantity to 0. Also, remove third-party apps that might override AutoDS stock settings. On Shopify, delete any apps that still control pricing or inventory. Finally, always edit products directly inside AutoDS, and if you change stock or prices inside your store, AutoDS won't track those updates. And that's it. Follow these steps and your stock levels will stay accurate without losing sales. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.